I will show you how to prove the area of this shape. I picked up this question from the news website and saying that this is question from the math test in the UK, and the parents found it's really hard. So I will show you how to solve problem, but I will show you how to teach at the same time, just in case parents of the students are looking at this one and then keen to teach, right? Okay, so first, because we are talking about area, I would like to make sure the student understand what the area is. So this is example. The area is the number of square units which fits in a shape. For example, this rectangle, height is 3, and then base is 4. Then what we are doing is 3 times by 4, but so many students don't have any idea why we are doing 3 times by 4. But basically, we are just counting number of squares inside of the rectangle, like this. If you count one by one, it's of course 12, but we don't need to count because there are 3 set of 4 squared, right? That's why we do this times this to figure out area of the rectangle. Then now we need to figure out composite number. No, I mean composite shape like this. So if you want to find the area of this composite shape, you can't find directly like, this times this. So you need to cut into pieces so that you can create a rectangle. So I put the line here. Then you can see this is a rectangle. So you can find the area of this one, 3 times by 4, which is 12. Then because this one is 3, and then this one is 7, 7 take away 3, which is, you can find the length of here, which is 4. So you can find the area of this one, 11 times by 4, which is 44. So the area of this shape is 12 plus 44, which is 56, isn't it? So this is a basic information, and you need to know about other area of math to figure out this one, which is algebra. So first, I just want to introduce this. So this is a rectangle like this, but length here is x, and the length here is x, and the length is 3, and then length here is 5. So if you measure the length from here to here, which is x plus 5, isn't it? Length from here to here is x plus 3. To figure out area of this one, as we did here, base times height, isn't it? So x plus 5 times x plus 3. X plus 5 times by x plus 3. There are lots of students making mistake like this. If you do this one, you do 5 times x, isn't it? But we are doing this length times this length. So you need to put bracket here. Okay? To get rid of bracket, we called expand. You do 4 times by multiplication. X times x is x squared. X times 3 is 3x. 5 times x is 5x. 5 times 3 is 15. I just show you why we are doing multiplication 4 times using this diagram. I draw a line here and here. Then if you look at this one, from here to here is x, wasn't it? And from here to here is also x. The area of this one is base times height, which is x to the power of 2. X times x, which is x to the power of 2. right? And then from here to here is 3, and from here to here is x. So x times 3. The area of this one is 3x. As height is x, base is 5, so 5x. And then this is 5, and then this is 3. 3 times by 5 is 15. So to figure out the whole area of the rectangle, you add them together. Then you need to know like terms. If you look at this one, x squared and 3x, totally different numbers. But if you look at this one, 3x and 5x, these are the same family. We call this one like terms. Okay, I just quickly explain why x squared and 3x or 5x is a different family. If you look at this one, this is x squared, isn't it? This is the area of this one. But x for here is the length for here, isn't it? So x is length and x squared as area. Like if the length is, this is 1 centimeter, and then area is 1 square centimeter. So squared and just x is a totally different terms. So if you look at the same terms, which is we call like term, you add them together. Like 3 apples plus 5 apples is 8 apples. So if I simplify this expression, it's gonna be x squared plus 8x plus 15. Right, so now you can figure out the answer for here. To figure out the area of this one, we try to make it a square or a rectangle like this by drawing a line here. Then this one is the area of this one is x plus 1 times by 4, isn't it? So 4 times by x plus 1, which is 4 times x is 4x. 4 times 1 is 4. Right? Then next, this one is the same as this system. From here to here and times from here to here, you can find the area of this one. But this one is not x plus 11. You got to be careful because x plus 11 is a length from here to here, which means from here to here is a x plus 11, take away this length, which is the same as 4. So 11 take away 4 is 7, so the length here is x plus 7, right? So the area of this big rectangle is x plus 7 times by 2x plus 6. As I mentioned before here, we are expanding this one by 4 times multiplications. So x times 2x is 2x squared. X times 6 is 6x. 7 times 2x is 14x. 7 times 6 is 42. Then I add the like term here. 2x squared plus 20x plus 42. Because this one is composite shape, the total area is the total number of the area of these two shapes, isn't it? So 4x area equal 4x plus 4 plus 2x squared plus 20x plus 42. Then now you need to add like terms. This one doesn't have any like terms, so I just leave it as it is, 2x squared. Does 4x have like terms? 4x plus 20x as like terms, so you add them together, 24x. And then plus 4 and 42. These are number, so you just add them together, 46. And then you arrive at the same equation here and here. So this is how you prove. Done.